this week, what we're doing is, let's just go over the weekly agenda. Okay, review the Unit 7 test. We have the Unit 7 test tomorrow, okay? I reviewed it on Friday too, so I'm not going to go over too much. Just use your Friday notes. I just have a few questions I'll go over that'll help you out. And that'll be that. And then we're going to start Unit 8 on Wednesday. Now I have homework is going to be different. So we're going to try it out for Wednesday and Thursday. It's called Delta Math. Okay. I have a feeling you guys will like it, but let me know what you think. So we'll be doing right triangle trigonometry on Wednesday, and then radians and angle measurements on Thursday. And then we'll do the section equinox on Friday. And then we have vacation after that. Vacation after that. Okay. Let's do roll. Here we go. Oops, sorry, I'm in the wrong class here. Okay, Donald, Javier, Isaac Aquino.
Here.
Ishi Blanco.
Here.
Madison Boyer.
Here.
Kayla Bradley.
Here.
John Chavola. Alex Garcia. Jasmine
Here.
Godinez. Matthew Gonzalez.
Here.
Brandon Grijalva. Morella Hanon.
Here.
Joshua Hernandez.
Here.
Annika Huelskamp. Eric Jones. Gracie Marcelo.
Here.
Carlos Origel.
Here.
Jose Orozco.
Here.
Ethan Ramos.
Here.
Natalia Rodarte.
Here.
Jaylene Ruiz.
Here.
Giovanna Ruiz.
Here.
Taylor Simmons. Jay Singh. Gianna May Teco.
Here.
Jacob Terrell. Roberto Valdez.
Here.
Ariana Villalobos Castillo.
Here.
Okay, I got a lot of absences today. That's all right. Hang on a second. Let's see. I have Donnell Abier, John Chavola, Alex Garcia, Jasmine Gardinez, Brandon Grijalva, Annika Huelskamp, Eric Jones, Taylor Simmons, Jay Singh, and Jacob Terrell. Donnell, are you there?
Here.
All right. John, are you there? Alex Garcia.
Here.
Jasmine Godinez.
Here.
Brandon Grijalva.
Here.
Annika Huelskamp.
Here.
Eric Jones. Taylor Simmons. Jay Singh. Jacob Terrell. Okay. Now I have John Chavola, Eric Jones, Taylor Simmons, Jay Singh, and Jacob Terrell. Are any of those people here? John Chavola, Eric Jones, Taylor Simmons, Jay Singh, Jacob Terrell. Okay. So I got 5 absences. It's a lot. 22. So see 23 here. All right. I'm getting my pair deck ready. That's why I'm just looks like, I don't know if you can see me staring at my computer or what. I'm just setting up the pair deck right now. Okay. Brandon, wait, did I mark you absent? I can't remember if I marked you here or not. Okay, there's a pair deck, homies. No, I think I got Brandon here, right?
Yeah.
I got you? Okay. Let me double check. Yeah, you're here. Okay, got you. You're fine. I just want to double check. Okay, you guys see the pair deck? Start the class. There you go. And there's the first problem. Write the series using summation notation. Okay, so write that as summation notation. This is the first term. This is the last term. You have to figure out what term that is. And then you have to figure out what am I doing to 1 to get 25? What am I doing to 1 to get 50? Or 2 to get 50, 3 to get 75? Okay, I'm going to take a look at what you guys are doing so far. Summation notation. Let's see, what do we got here? Now I'm going to look. I was just daydreaming. Remember, oh, am I hooked up with my, no. No, no. I got the glare. It's glare time. Okay. All right. So remember the key thing is, as you guys are working on this, is you got to write down. I'm not seeing a lot of answers coming up here, so I will present. I haven't seen one yet. I mean, let me look again, see if you guys. I haven't seen a correct answer yet. Oh, there's one. I got one correct answer. Okay. So remember, first of all, we have to see if this is arithmetic or geometric. I see a lot of you going like this. You can see that I'm adding 25 each time. So we write our arithmetic sequences a to the n plus the first. Let me make it bigger for you. And let's hide that. Okay, a to the n plus the first term, which is 25, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 25, right? And then you can say 25 plus 25n minus 25. And then you just, right, 25 minus 25 is 0. So it's a to the n equals 25n. Right? Because these cancel out. Dink, It's just 25n. 25 minus 25. A to the n is 25n. So our summation is going to be 25n, right? That's where the equation goes. Actually,
Mr. Sanchez.
yeah.
I came in late.
Tell me stay after class. So we go from our first, so I can fix that. We go first term. Now, what's our last term? Was 250, right? So what term is 250? So we can go, remember it's a to the n, 250 equals 25. What term is that? Right? You can solve for the n by just plugging into your equation. Divide by 25, and it's 10 equals n. So this goes up to 10. And that's what you do. Anyway, so you guys got it. See, I see, like, this is good. This person put I instead of n. Great. But if you put I here, make sure you put I there. Okay? That's good, though. Good, good, good. N to the 1. Yes, that's good. A to the n. Okay, it needs the summation notation. That's the addition. We need a to the n equals 25. We know we're adding 25. That is correct, but that's not the summation notation. 25n, 25i. Very good. Got the I there. I've seen people use K. This is correct. They've used N. They used I. Make sure oh, there you go. Putting the I in. I love it. I love seeing the magical answers. So remember, that's 250 is the 10th term. Okay. Are there any questions? Because I'm gonna move on. Okay, moving on. There's the answer. They used I.
Wait, wouldn't I equal 25?
Would I equal down here? No. This is the term. It's the first term. We start with this is the number we plug in to get 25. And 10 is the last term.
Oh, okay.
So, okay, I'm moving on. Okay, find the sums. Now, this is not arithmetic, nor is it geometric, so you just have to plug them in and figure it out. Plug in 4, plug in 5, plug in 6, plug in 7, plug in 8.
Mr. Sanchez, can you give me the Pear Deck link?
Yes. Okay, I marked Jacob absent, so if he's not here, Brandon, tell Jacob he needs to see me after class, so someone to mark him absent, because I need to know that he's here, even though he's having trouble getting in. Okay, Jacob, are you here? Did you make it in yet, Jacob? Am I sharing, guys? Am I sharing? I don't even know if I'm sharing.
Yeah, you're presenting.
Okay, great. Presenting, that's a better term. Okay, so this tells us, if you haven't added it yet, we just go with the 4th term to the 8th term. So I have 4, we're going to plug in 4, then 5, then 6, and 7, then 8, then add them up, right? So 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. 36, plus 3 is 39. 49, plus 3 is 52. 64, plus 3 is 67. So we go 19 plus 28 plus 39 plus 52 plus 67, right? What does this tell us? This tells us what term to start with. 4. This tells us what term to end with. 8. This tells us what to do with the terms. This tells us to add them up. The sigma tells us to add them up. Okay, let's check out your works. I know I'm presenting, so I'm going to check out your responses. I don't know if you even needed me to do that. Well, guess I did because I see a deleted response here. 205. 205 is the correct answer. Nice. Ooh, 205. 205. Okay. Does anyone have any questions on this?
No.
Thank you. I got a response. Thank you. Thank you. Does anyone else? So I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hang on a second. There's my dashboard. Jasmine. Jasmine Godinez. There's the answer. Is Jasmine having trouble? So there's
Oh my god.
What's that?
No, my Wi-Fi is messing up. Oh no, everything's
I
frozen.
saw you didn't do the pair deck.
Yeah, my pair deck's frozen.
Okay, write a rule for the nth term. There you go. Write the rule for the nth term. First of all, let me ask you guys this. Let me ask someone it. Let me ask. I don't know. Carlos. Is this arithmetic or geometric, do you think?
Arithmetic?
Why?
I don't know.
Lucky guess? Is that how you got it? Okay, let's go with Giovanna. Arithmetic or geometric?
I was gonna say arithmetic.
Okay, why?
I don't know.
Because Carlos said it?
Yeah.
All right, very good, Carlos. You helped Giovanna out. Roberto, arithmetic or geometric?
Arithmetic,
Yeah, why?
because it goes by -8.
Every time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. You can see, right? Just so you guys know, that this is arithmetic. You guys got to know if it's arithmetic. Where am I? Wait, what just happened? Oh, no. I need my pair deck. Okay. You can see go 55, 47. Now, remember, arithmetic, you just go, right, we have 55, 47, 39, 31. To find out if it's arithmetic, you go like this. Right? This is let's hide that. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3. You go a sub 2 minus a sub 1, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, a sub 4 minus a sub 3. 47 minus 55 equals negative 8. 39 minus 47 equals negative 8. 31 minus 39 equals negative 8. Because it's all the same, we know it is arithmetic. So now write a rule. Write a rule. We have the common difference. Remember, this is the rule. A to the n equals a to the 1 plus n minus 1 all times the common difference. Okay, so see if you can get that. I'm going to check your answers out. Check you out. Check you out. Check you out. I mean, check your answers out. I guess sounds kind of weird when I say. I don't mean checking. Okay, is that recorded? All right. Annika, don't forget your addition between the 55 and the n minus 1. You need to add there 55 plus n minus 1. I think that might help you. Matthew, how you doing?
What's up?
How you doing on this problem here?
All right.
All right. How far have you gotten?
I haven't really started.
Well, why don't you start that sucker, huh?
Yeah.
I can see exactly what you're doing. Isaac, how far have you gotten?
I'm like half done with it.
What have you got so far?
I'm like doing AN equals 55. Something I don't know. I'm just writing the equation or rewriting the equation.
All righty. Ariana.
Hi. Yeah.
What?
Hello.
How far have you gotten so far in this problem?
We're trying to find A5, right? Because right now I'm solving for A5.
Well, what have you gotten so far, though? I don't think it says solve for the A5, does it? It says just write a rule.
So then it's AN minus AN equals negative AN plus 63. Because isn't that the rule?
No. Oh, 8n equals negative 8n. Yes, that's the rule.
Oh, okay.
Very good. Donald, how far have you gotten? Donnell.
What?
What's up, man?
Nothing.
How far have you gotten?
Trying to figure out where to start.
You're that far off?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you know you can ask me questions. Do I seem like a mean teacher?
No,
Well, then why don't you ask me a question like Sensei?
I don't know.
Am I intimidating?
Here in the chat.
I mean, is that why you're not showing your camera? You and Gianna May?
It says that my camera's on.
Oh my goodness. I understand. Donnell, I understand I'm the meanest teacher you've ever had probably in your whole entire life.
No, you're not.
No, hey, don't make me go crazy on you.
All right.
Oh, are you mocking me, man? Wait,
No.
I gotta stop. I'm intimidating students while I'm being recorded. Donnell, I'm
Yeah.
still talking to you though. Okay? Look, since you have no idea what to do you understand? Everyone listen to me and Donnell talking. We're having a conversation. Okay, Donnell, you understand that we're changing by -8? Do you understand that? I'm subtracting
Yeah.
8 from each of these. So we go like this. A to the n equals the first term. What's my first term, Donnell?
55.
55. Oh, that's kind of off. Plus n minus 1 times the common difference, -8. You understand where I got those numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we multiply -8 times that. 55 plus -8 times n is -8n. -8 times 1 is 8. So far, so good, Donnell?
Yeah.
Now I can add these together since they're on the same line. 55 plus 8 is 67. So I write my -8n. 55 plus 8 is 67. And then after you do that, you write this. You write that, Donnell.
Are you presenting? 'Cause I don't.
You got to be kidding me. Yeah, I'm presenting. It says I am.
Oh, then it's just not working for me.
What?
I can't see it.
What do you see? Can you?
We can see your face.
You guys can't see me
Yeah.
presenting?
We see your
No.
face presenting.
Oh, so can't share your screen. Sorry, an error has occurred when screen sharing. Oh my gosh. Ugh, I'm telling you, I hate this job. This is the worst job. Never become a math teacher. You know what you should do? Maybe become like because stuff like this happens. Do something easy. What's an easy job? Oh, why is it not letting me share? Oh no. I'm just joking. I don't hate this job, but oh, there it goes. What's going on? Is it sharing now? It's wait. Oh, Donnell, we have to do that all over again.
All right.
Should we do it again? Does anyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me go like this. Who needs me to do that? Who needs me to show you how to do it? I'll just show Donnell later since
Me too, because I was late.
2 people. Anyone else? Speak up. Jacob, stay here because I marked you absent. Just Donnell and Jacob?
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? If no one else is, I'm not going to show you how to do it. We're going to move on. All right, fine. Anyone else? Okay. Anyway, here's the answer. Here's the answer. Whoa. What's this? This is like getting glitchy. -8n plus 63. Show it. All right. Moving on. Write a rule for the nth term. Okay, is this sequence geometric or arithmetic? Okay, is this sequence geometric or arithmetic? Madison, was it geometric or arithmetic?
I'm still trying to figure it out.
Okay.
Mr. Sanchez, can you resend the Pear Deck link because my laptop turned off, so I left the call and it kicked me out of the Pear Deck too.
I'm sending it. Clay Camp is not stricter than me. I'm more strict. Clay Camp's a baby compared to me. That's right, Annika.
Mr. Sanchez.
You guys just see. I can grow a long little beard like Clay Camp if I wanted to, and you guys better watch out, man. That long thing, so long. Probably puts conditioner in it. Yes, Jacob.
I'm on my phone right now because my computer didn't work joining the class, and I don't know how to join the Pear Deck on my phone. you want me to just write the answers on my notebook?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, when I was going into Canvas, whenever you go to home, it just shows the modules.
You have to
I
click
understand what you're talking about.
at the top. It says
That happened to me.
Yeah, and then yeah, that's why I was late. I was trying to figure out how to go in, and then I saw like the home page one.
Wait, Jay, are you talking to me?
Yeah, I am.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So when I logged into Canvas and you go to home on your class, it doesn't show the normal, like, you know, the links and all that. It just shows the modules. But there and then I was late because I was trying to figure out how to go into class.
Okay.
And
Well, actually, okay. Let's worry about that
Yeah.
after class. I'm gonna go over this, and if anyone needs me to go over that, I'll figure out what's going on with Canvas, if it's trouble with anyone. Okay. Okay, here we go. So, it's geometric. And what is the ratio? The ratio is 1/4. Yes, very good. So am I presenting? Okay, let's see if this is presenting now. Before I move on, I assume it presents. Maybe my computer's glitchy too. Okay, so yes, it is geometric. There we go. So the way you figure it out is you divide A2 divided by A1, A3 divided by A2, A4 divided by A3, and they're all the same. They're all 1/4. Because you do that, you can see that it's geometric. Is sequence geometric or arithmetic? Okay. I'm gonna move on. Are there any questions? Okay, find the sum of the infinite series. This is the last one we'll do. Find the sum of the infinite series. Go ahead and figure that out. Actually, there's two more. Find the sum of this infinite series. Unc 37, putting a number. Ooh, nice. I got one correct answer. Okay, I'm gonna spend another 30 seconds on this. Let's look at some of the answers we got as my time is going up, 20 seconds. So look at incalculable. What the heck? 0.5, 378. R is greater than 1, so you can't find it. Not sure we're still working on it. You cannot because the ratio is greater than 1. Very good. Incalculable. Is that a word? Sounds like it. But yes, you cannot. It is impossible to find because the numbers keep getting bigger and bigger. It's only when they get smaller. Since R is greater than 1, can't do it. Right? So that's that. So it is incalculable. Incalculatable? I don't know. Either way, I know what you mean. I'm not an English teacher. Does not exist. Ratio is 3 because 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, blah, 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 blah. It'll be bigger. But this one is calculable. Is that a word? So find the sum of the infinite series there. Find the sum of the infinite series there. It looks like we may need a little bit of help here. Help me, I'm a damsel. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, I'm a damsel. Okay. To find the sum, the sum of an infinite series, we want to go the first term divided by 1 minus the radius, right? Maybe that will help you out. Let me keep it there, sorry. The first term divided by 1 minus the radius. Not the radius, the ratio. What are these, circles? Looking for the problem. So, interesting answers I have here. I see one correct answer, though. So I have 1, negative 3/4, 9/16, negative 27 over 64. So remember, to find the ratio, you go A2 divided by A1, or A3 divided by A2, or A4 divided by A3, right? Or A4 divided by A3, right? So A2 is negative 3/4 divided by the first one is 1, which actually, that's pretty easy. It's negative 3/4. That's my ratio, right? Negative 3/4 divided by 1. But if you want to see another one that's a little bit more tricky, A3, 9/16 divided by A2, negative 3/4. Right, that's how we find the ratio. So 9/16 divided by negative 3/4, the same as writing 9/16 times negative 4/3. And then these can cancel, right? I like to cancel these. 9 and 3, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 3 divided by 1 is negative 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 3/4 is my ratio. Okay, so I have here my first term is 1 minus negative 3/4, which is 1 plus 3/4, or 1 over 4/4 plus 3/4, which is 1 over 7/4. I'm going too fast. 1 divided by 7/4, same as 1 times 4/7. Sorry, that's all so sloppy. Sorry, I just did the whole thing. It's 4/7. 4/7. That's the sum. And so you go like that, right? 1 divided by 1 minus negative 3/4. Make sure you use this equation. Make sure you know your equations, right? Last Friday, we went over the equations of how to figure out the sums of arithmetics, the sum of geometrics. And remember what n equals. N is equal to the last minus the first plus 1, right? That's what n equals. If you need me to go over that again, I will. I went over that on Friday. But anyway, this doesn't have an n because it goes to infinity. 4/7. Are there any questions on how I got that again? I could do the whole thing over again. I'm going to remove this in 10 seconds if there's no questions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Jose Orozco, which one do you want me to explain again? The last one? Okay. Everyone else, I will go over the last one, the other ones that I think Jacob and Donnell need. Otherwise, everyone else, you can go study for the test. Okay, test is tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow, unless you have other questions after class. Goodbye. Bye, Matthew. Bye, Gianna. Bye, Madison. Bye, Annika. Bye, Natalia. Bye, Brandon. Bye, Roberto. Bye, Gracie. Bye, Ariana. Bye, Morella. Bye, Jasmine. Okay, my absence. Let me get my late kids who are absent first. Let's say. Okay, John, are you here? Wait. I don't know if that was John. I just heard a muffle. Jay, you're here, right? Why are you late, Jay?
For some reason, your home, whenever you click on the home on your canvas, it goes to modules instead. And I was a bit confused, so then I
that's what you were talking about
saw.
before. Okay, let me look at that. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let me see what's going on there. Okay, Jacob, why are you late?
It was like my computer was glitching out, and I couldn't load. So I told my friend to give me the meeting code. So I just joined on my phone.
Oh, and Donnell's here. I got Donnell. Okay, so I just have John, Eric, and Taylor absent. Any of those people here? Okay. Jose, are you still here too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Jose, I'll go over that last one again real quick, okay?
Got it.
And then Donnell and Jacob, I'll go over the other one. All right, if you guys still want me to. So okay. All right, Jose. So, okay, we have here 1, -3/4, 9/16, -27/64. And then it goes on to infinity to find the sum of the infinite series. Jose, you understand the sum of the infinite series is the first term divided by 1 minus the ratio. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I got that.
Do you understand my first term is 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand that my ratio is -3/4, or do you need me to explain that?
I need to get explained on the ratios.
Okay. The way you figure out the ratio is you take the term before and you divide the term after you divided by the term before. So this divided by that.
Okay. The way that I did it, I probably did it wrong because I was turning it into decimals, which is probably a big no-no.
Not necessarily. What did you get? Did you get -0.75?
Yeah.
Well, that should work. That would work. So you're going to say the first term is 1. 1 minus -0.75. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, the only thing with that is, so this is going to be plus. So when you're calculating, you do 1 plus 0.75. And then 1 divided by 0.75, it's not a big no-no, but in a multiple choice test, unfortunately, if the answer is in fractions, then you're not going to be able to figure it out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
1 divided by 1.75 is 0.57. But what the hey, man? Let's do it in, what if the answer is in fractions? So let's do it in fractions, okay?
Yeah.
So do you need to know how I got -3/4 or no?
That's what I was confused about.
Okay. So let me start over here. 1 minus 3/4 plus 9/16 minus 27. Well, how did you get -0.75? How did you get that?
Because
I'm going to work with what you know how to do.
Because I divided 1 by 3/4, or divided 3 by 4, which was 0.75, and because it was negative, yeah.
So, okay, so you're going to go A2 divided by A1, where this is 2, 1, 3, 4, and then etc., right? So it's this one on top of this one, right?
Yeah.
So -3/4 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is that number, so that's easy, -3/4.
Oh, so that's an easy way to do it then.
Yes, but that's only if this number is 1. What if it's not 1? So let's do this one divided by that one, right? So let's do the third term divided by the second term, which is the third term is this one, 9/16 divided by this term, the second term, -3/4.
Yeah.
Okay? So how do you figure it out here? Remember, dividing fractions is like this, 9/16 divided by -3/4. Do you understand how I made that step right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't lie.
I did understand because, yeah, it's dividing, but what I don't understand is how you would do that step. Like, how would you divide the fractions?
Yeah, but you understand that step though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next step would be change it to a multiplication, 9/16 times, and then you multiply by its reciprocal, -4/3.
Yeah.
Got that step?
Mm-hmm. Because I remember.
Okay, now
that.
this step makes it easier for me, but it might make it harder for you. You can go this times this and that times that, and then just reduce it. But I like to cross reduce. 9 and 3 are both divisible by 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. I can do that. Are you with me or are you not?
Yeah, I'm with you.
How about the 16 and 4? What are those both divisible by?
By 4.
So 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that's -1. 6 divided by 4 is 4. Then you go 3 times -1 is -3. 4 times 1 is 4. There's your ratio.
Oh, I got that now.
Okay, now.
That seemed a lot easier than I was thinking it would be.
Good. I just do that quick because I assume everyone knows it. So it's good that you're after class, though, so I'm able to go slower. I just do it quick, which makes it confusing. So there's my sum of my infinite series. So my first term is 1, right? 1 right here.
Yeah.
And then 1 minus the ratio, -3/4.
And then that would turn into a plus, right? For the bottom.
So 1 plus 3/4, or 1 over, let's change, because to add them I need a common denominator. So 1, that's easy, becomes 4/4 plus 3/4. Now I can add them.
So then it would be 1 and 7/4.
1 over 7/4, which again, what we talked about before, do this, it's the same problem. So this, I'm going to bring over here, is 1 divided by 7/4, right?
And
Which becomes,
by 1 is 7/4.
1 times.
Or 7.
Huh?
1 times 4/7.
Yes, which is just 4/7. This basically flips it. And that's the answer.
Okay. Thank you, Sensei. Now I got it.
You're welcome. All right, Jacob and Donnell, are you still here?
Yeah.
All right, you guys want me to do that one still?
I didn't see any of the questions, so that's why I'm asking, just to see what it was.
I got it now. It was just hard for me because I didn't have the an equals a1 plus n minus
That
1
thing
times.
right there, right? Can you
Yeah.
guys, am I presenting?
Yeah. I can
Yeah.
see.
Oh, you can see it now, Jacob?
I think it's because you were on Pear Deck when we were in class, so that's why I
Oh,
couldn't.
yeah. Now I'm doing both.
Yeah.
Okay, do you need me to do this one, Jacob, or no?
Yeah. Can you do it for me? Can you help me?
Yeah, no problem. Let me find a blank sheet of paper here.
All right, Sensei, I'm gonna leave the meet now because I got
All
it.
right, Donna, I'll see you tomorrow
All right.
for the test. Okay, I got 55, 47, 39, and 31. Now, I can see that this is arithmetic.
Yes.
Because I'm subtracting 8. Can you tell that?
Yes.
So my common difference is -8. My first term is what?
55.
55. And so I say a to the n equals, here's the equation I'm going to use to find. If it's arithmetic, you do this. It's the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference.
Okay.
You remember that equation?
Yeah, I have it in my notes.
Oh, okay. Sorry, someone texted me like crazy. Okay. So now just take your first term. What's my first term?
55.
What's my common difference?
-8.
Okay, now you distribute the -8. -8 times n is -8n. And then -8 times 1 is +8.
Okay.
And then you add 55. Now see, you just add these two because they're on the same equal. They're on the same side of the equal sign.
Yeah.
55, let's say, to 67.
And that's it?
That's it.
Okay. All
Come
right.
in. That's it. Are you good?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, come in.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, see you, Jacob.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. All right, Jacob, are you gone? Okay, sorry. I was in a meeting. No, it's okay. You're done? Yes. Okay, and then what about? Okay, and then your friend. What was your friend's name? Your Jose. Yes. He's gone too. Okay. No, but today is the other guy that was working. Is he gone too? Yes. Okay. All right. What you guys did? You show me what you did. Okay. Probably. Right. Mika? You want to get your haircut? Why don't you want to get it cut? No, I'm gonna go back to the other side. You guys huh? Right. Well, I think I'm trying to do something. Who's here? Do you like me? That's you, for sure.